Want to choose the right platform? Remember 5 key features. 1. The token is actually used, not just an empty promise. 2. Nodes can split and users can share growth. 3. Intelligent strategies and automated returns. 4. Payment is connected, real consumption scenarios. 5. Governance on-chain, participation verifiable. LWEX is implementing these 5 points one by one. Token applications are fully implemented in handling fees, node rebates, strategy benefits, and governance voting. Visa payment system and DeFi ecosystem are also being planned. In the future, whoever possesses these 5 characteristics will be the new generation platform king.